Welcome back to Work Market Support, to the Knowledge Economy Success Blueprint. We have problems, exercises, workshops and events, and today I'm sharing the solution to workshops number 5 multiple choice problem. And let me show you here the blog. Workshop number 5 is hosted on the blog. This is the page. This is the theory page here, Knowledge Economy, the theory hub. We have also a live challenge coming up, and you can get access to the workshops and the exclusive workshops and the live challenge by signing up with your name and email, and the password for the membership, for the members area, will be emailed to you. And this is the practice page, problems and exercises, workshops and events. Here is where I host all the problems, the exercises and the workshops. Workshop number 0, introduction. Workshop 1, examples galore. Workshop 2, competitive advantage. Workshop 3, market testing. Workshop 4, the impact of USP on the success of information products, another multiple choice problem. And workshop number 5 on the blog, finding the best information product format, another multiple choice problem. And this is the members area where I host all the solutions to the problems and to the workshops. Let me show you. This is where the solutions are hosted. Workshop number 4, the exclusive workshops, and today's workshop will be hosted here underneath. And there is a questionnaire for you as well, so sign up with your email to get access to the solutions to the workshops, and also access to the exclusive workshops where I'll be showing a case study, a huge information product that I developed during the summer for the numismatic industry. You don't want to miss this case study. So that's it. Sign up with your email address and get access to all the solutions and the prizes and bonuses that can be found inside the members area.